The 7 easy steps on how to start a profitable ATM business this year. Right, guys? My name is David G. I'm going to show you real quick the 7 steps that you need in order for you to start a profitable ATM business. The first thing you should do when starting anything is to do your research. You're going to be doing your research, outline what exactly you're going to do from start to finish. What's the first step you're going to do, second step, third step, fourth step, all right? So you're going to research all this stuff, okay? After you researched it, I'm going to go through this whole list. The first thing is going to be an LLC. You want to grab an LLC, which is going to be a limited liability company on your business. In order for you, the reason why you need this is for step number 2, okay? As far as an LLC, I have a video. You can actually check it out. It's going to be coming up right here. I have my full course on this channel here, and you'll be able to see exactly, and I'll walk you through how to get an LLC. It's actually easier than you really think on how to do this, all right? Once you get your LLC, you get your LLC and you get your EIN number from the IRS, you're gonna take those documents along with some other ones that I explained in that video that I just showed you. You're gonna go to your local bank and you're going to be opening up a business bank account, okay? You're gonna wanna go to these small local banks because they wanna work with you. They wanna actually have your business compared to these big ones, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, right? They are going to deny you. They're not gonna wanna work with you guys. You're gonna go down to your local bank. Again, I have another video on this. It's showing you in detail exactly what to say, how to prepare yourself, what to look for when you're looking into getting a business bank account. All right, number 3. Number 3 is going to be by far the most important part in this whole thing, and is basically picking a spot, picking a location, okay? Location is going to be where you're going to place your ATMs, okay? Basically, the best places to have ATMs are going to be where your businesses have cash only, right? Cash only barbershops. You're going to want them in convenience stores. If you can get them into strip clubs, right? If you can get them into shopping malls, places that are high traffic. Again, another video coming up right here explaining to you where to look for, how to look for these, and walking you through step by step. But this is going to be by far the most important because what you want is high traffic people that use it constantly, where you have an ATM that's a little bit slower but doesn't make money, okay? This is going to be a difference on if you're going to be making $500 a month or $150 a month, okay? By far is going to be the best thing or the most important from this whole section. Now, once you have your LLC, you have your business bank account, you have your location already in set. I do have an actual contract, and I'll go ahead and give it to you guys as well. It's also in my course along with these other videos in here, and it basically just kind of outlines everything that you're going to be, the business owner is going to do. And this is where you're going to be telling the business owner that you're going to order an ATM. The next step is going to be ordering an ATM. Usually, nowadays, it's going to take about 7 to 10 business days to have an ATM shipped from their warehouse over to you, okay? This is where you're going to be ordering an ATM. Again, another video coming up showing you where I buy mine, how to do your research, what to look for when you're looking for a company that you're going to buy your ATMs at. And when you order your ATMs, have it shipped to your house. You do not want it shipped to the business, especially if this is your first ATM, because what you want to do is you want to program it. You want to get familiar with the ATM. You do not want to have it shipped to the business where you're going to be installing, because if this is the first time seeing it and you're confused, you have no idea what you're doing, the owners are going to be seeing that and they're going to get a little hesitant. They're not going to probably not want to work with you. So send it over to your house so you can get familiar on how to use it, how it works, all that stuff. Once you have it programmed, easily send it over to, or you can ship it over, or even drive it over. That's what I do, drive it over to the business and install it, okay? Now, another short right here that I'm going to be showing you, where I kind of explain and walk you through all that stuff. Number 5 is obviously installing it, right? We have our ATM, we have all our stuff that's actually in line, installing the ATM. I want to go ahead and install it, have it nice and pretty, shiny, install it, take some pictures, have it in that business, and then of course, begin to advertise it. Number 6, now that you have everything in line, all you got to do is just sit back and now monitor what is going on with your ATM, okay? How often is it getting used? Is it getting used once a day? Is it going to get used 10 times a day? Start kind of seeing how many times it gets used, so you know how much money is going to be in there, so you never run out of money. That is actually one of the worst things. Of course, business owners are going to see that. You're not reliable. You're not on top of your stuff. so you can know how much money it is. And then of course, number 7 is refilling it. We want to refill our ATMs, every week, every 2 weeks, however often it is, and pretty much just rinse and repeat. Okay? Once you get that first ATM, the second one's gonna go a lot easier, a lot smoother, and you're gonna keep on going like that. I do have a full course that I've uploaded here on this channel. Go ahead and there's a couple links down here on the description, and it's gonna take you step by step by step. This is one of my paid courses that I have. I'm giving it to you guys for free. All you guys have to do is subscribe to this channel, and it'll walk you through the whole entire thing. All right, guys? If you guys got any questions, comment below. I'll see you guys on the next one.